Traders, here we have the triple Qs. We made a lot of money on that downside, but we also had to go long on top of the 3-day consolidation of the 200-day simple moving average. Then the breakout here that happened on Thursday, Friday, well, not too much. My problem that I have with this is the resistance 100-day. We're going to test it. The 20-day crossed over the 50. The daily sell signal. Yes, we were oversold. Yes, we've had our bounce. These markets better come through. I am ready to go long above it, but I will short right into this resistance. I will buy the triple Q puts, and I will make, well, not a lot. I'll make $3,000 on it. But my problem that I have with it is there is a lot of volatility that's going to hit these exchanges this next coming week. It is a light August, dog days of August. Once again, we work as a team. We work well together. We want to take you to the highest level that you've ever seen with trading.